Just put alcohol in the toilet paper, and you'll thank me. Now that I found out, I'm sharing it with everyone. To start our tip today, first, in a container, I will add 150 milliliters of alcohol, being one of the main items for this tip, for all its bactericidal effect. Next, we will also add a tablespoon of baking soda. The ideal now is to mix well. Next, we will also use 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Remember that the ideal is to mix. Whenever you add a new ingredient, you will surely thank me for this tip. You will never use toilet paper in another way. To finish, we will also use fabric softener, being the main item. In addition to cleaning also, bring a great aroma in all places that use this mixture. We will mix one last time, and with that we will have the mixture ready. I'm sure you'll thank me for using this tip. In your home, for use the main item is toilet paper. In this tip, he is responsible for replacing the use of cloths and bringing a better yield to the product. By having a greater contact, I'll fold the toilet paper this way, so it'll make it easier to remove the inner roll. Next, we will need a container with a size similar to that of toilet paper. Once it's this way, let's put the mixture in the central part, just as necessary for all the toilet paper to absorb from the liquid. If the container has a lid, it will make it easier to reserve, in addition to keeping the aroma active longer. And then it is only necessary to reserve for some time, until fully absorbed. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Bernard Jones from Dallas, Texas. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips for use. It is only necessary to remove a small amount of toilet paper, and with these, I can remove any dirt from all the furniture in my house. Surely you will be surprised by the use of this tip, facilitating and cleaning by being practical, and bring a great result. Tell me later if you got the desired result for the use of this mixture. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.